Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Amirul Asyraf bin Saidi and my matrix number is 2019241382. And I'm from class A4 CS1124B. Okay, for the first question on week 1 tutorial, financial institutions such as insurance companies and banks need prudential supervision to reduce the risk that policyholders, depositors, and other vulnerable individuals will suffer losses from the collapse of an institution. The institution needs to understand the risk it is taking and not rashly sell products or otherwise take on commitments which may expose it to unexpected problems. Okay, the question is discuss the other 5 professional issues which could arise. So, my first answer is ethical behavior. Professional issues to consider while you work on any task is ethical behavior. Everyone should behave with integrity and respect toward others. Being a professional means we need to reach higher standards because people put expectation that professionals can meet what they want. That's why a professional put up client before themselves to avoid conflict of interest that could affect their independence or appear to do so. My second answer is conflict of interest. As a professional, they always need to put their duty on clients' interest first. Actuaries must always beware and look out for area of where the client interest may conflict with their own interest to avoid conflict of interest. But we must know that it's not always possible to avoid this conflict. My third point is consideration of other stakeholders. When professional giving advice other than the direct client, the stakeholder will also listen to the advice given by the professional. We must be aware that our advice as a professional not only listened by client but also from the other third parties. Just don't be overconfident and a lot of research and do a lot of research before and when giving advice. My fourth point is materiality. Materiality means how much something matters and how much it will make difference to the final outcome. Materiality issue is something we should bear in mind. This issue can involve more or less work to suit the materiality of the task and also need to follow professional standard. This can also involve with many hours of the time spending just to select the best model for the discount rates. If you take or calculate the present value at the cash flow at $1 in 1 day at 1 days at time. Also, it unprofessional to charge your client for your time doing such research. My last point, reliance on other experts. As professional, we should be prepared to call in for advice on something we not expertise for. Just don't be overconfident when giving advice. We also need to know our limit when giving advice, because giving advice on something we're not capable is unprofessional. Also, actuaries need to try finish their work by their own and not rely on others. That is professional actuaries. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.